to Cheesy's Kitchen. Welcome to Cheesy's Kitchen. I'm your host, Chef Cheesy. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious, chewy Independence Day brownies. After I make the brownies, I'll show you how to make the icing. This recipe makes approximately 32 brownies. These brownies take approximately 1 hour to make and 1.5 hours to cool. Before I begin, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and if you enjoy this video, please leave a like. To begin, we have a couple of ingredients that we will need to make these brownies. We need vegetable oil spray, 2 ounces of unsweetened chocolate, 6 tablespoons of Dutch processed cocoa powder, 2/3 of a cup of water, 5 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. Make sure it is melted and cooled, 2.5 cups of sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 large egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1.5 cups and 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of bittersweet chocolate chips, and half a teaspoon of salt. Without further ado, let's start baking. To start, adjust the oven rack to the lowest position and preheat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Put all of your chocolate inside of a Ziploc bag and then gently pound it. In a large bowl, put together your cocoa powder and your pounded chocolate. Now we're going to slowly whisk this on the first level until kind of smooth. Whisk in the oil and the melted butter. Whisk in the sugar, the egg, and the egg yolks. I'm going to put in half of the flour, then mix it, and then put in the other half. That's satisfying. Put in the chocolate chips and the salt. So now we're gonna take a piece of aluminum foil to make a slit. You're gonna want to get it all around the edges and make sure that it gets everywhere. Slowly take our batter and slowly pour it inside of our foil-lined tray. Softly spread it from the inside out and slowly make sure that everything is as flat as possible. Now you can put it in the oven for 25 to 28 minutes. You know it's ready when you put in a toothpick and it comes out with just a few moist crumbs attached. Hey guys, it's day 2 and now we're ready to ice since this brownie was in the refrigerator all night. Here are the ingredients that we will need to prepare the icing. A cup of unsalted butter, 3 cups of confectioner's sugar, 2 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Let's start to make the icing. Make sure that your butter is nice and soft so that you can beat it easily. Now we're gonna put our softened butter. If you want, you can put it in the microwave if it's too hard. You wanna pour it in to this electric mixer bowl. Now we're gonna start to beat the butter on medium speed until it's nice and soft. Add your confectioner's sugar and your vanilla and mix on a low speed until combined. As this is going, we're gonna add the heavy cream. This is completely optional, but what I'm gonna do now is put 1/8 of a tablespoon, so very little, of cream of tartar. Right now I'm applying a little bit of food color to 1/3 of my icing, since it's red, white, and blue. And I'm just gonna mix until I get the desired color. So now we're gonna take all this beautiful blue icing and put it into a piping bag to have mounted on top of a cup. Putting it on a cup really makes it just so easy, and it just helps you so much. We put the icing in the piping bag and made sure it's perfectly blue. And now we're just gonna make straight lines. To make the blue. So we're done with our blue, we spread it out and it looks great. And now we're just gonna cover it up with red and white stripes. We just finished the icing and I think it looks great. So now we're gonna start to put on some beads to make stars. So I'm gonna try this out and just make like swirls, slight swirls, and just keep it going. I'm gonna attempt to write July. This is our finalized project, and I think it looks great. So if you guys want to try this out at home, I hope you have a fun time. And that's all for today's episode of Cheesy's Kitchen. Please make sure you're subscribed, and if you like this video, leave a like. I'll be opening up the comment section, and if you want me to make anything, please drop a comment and tell me what. See you next time.